Hey everybody, in today's video you're gonna learn how to create high quality videos for your YouTube channel or any other project of your own choice. All this work will be done using AI softwares. You don't necessarily need to come from a creative or a content background, and that is the best part. In past few months, the trend of running faceless YouTube channel is picking up really fast, and if you are here, I am sure you are already aware of it. A lot of softwares have come up that makes it so much easier to create content. Using these softwares, you can create content at a fraction of the time spent by other creators. In this video, I am going to create a video in front of you in less than 10 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. Please note, I am not copying or reusing existing content. This is pure original content that I will upload. Using this process, it helps you to create content for yourself, and also you don't face any challenges to monetize this channel once you cross the requirements. If you follow the video till the end, you will be aware of the process that can create videos for you in no time. And very importantly, if you implement this process, you will know the skill by yourself. So focus on the implementation and not just learning. That is how you upgrade your skills. So let's see how you can create videos in no time. The software that turns your article into a video is InVideo.io. I have shared the link in the description box. You can use that link to create an account. Once you have created an account, this is where you usually land in. And as you can see, there are a lot of options and a lot of templates which are very easy to figure out. You just have to spend some time here and you will be quite comfortable to make your own videos. So I'm going to use a script which I've already created in past, and I'm going to convert that script into a video. I click here and this is where I land in. So this is one page which you have to be very cognizant about because you know the topic on which you are making a video. I am creating a video on how to stay motivated. So I need to figure out a template which is relevant to that topic. I like this one, so I'm gonna pick this. So it gives you three different ways where you can put in your own articles. A, you enter a story here, you paste your script here. B, you can use this area to put a URL or some other blog, and it will automatically pick content from there. And you can add your own media as well. So what I have done in past, I have already created a script on how to stay motivated. And I created this script using an AI software. Trust me, I had just put in 6 words and it gave me a full length blog which looks like this. So this was the whole blog which I generated using an AI software, and for that I had just put in 6 words, and all of that this content was written to me. If you are interested to know how to create scripts like this in less than 5 minutes, you can click on the link which is on the upside. So once I have figured out this script, I just have to copy this and paste it here. But sometimes what happens when you push the whole content here, it says that you have put in a lot of content, because how this software works, it picks each sentence as a scene, and if the moment you give any space, it creates a video for the whole sentence. So let's say if this is one paragraph, this is one little paragraph, this software will see this paragraph as one video frame, and it will try to figure out the best content from this and the matching video. So you have to work around a bit to figure out what are the relevant keywords which you want to post here. So I've already done that back work. So these are the relevant keywords which I want this software to pick. So I'm going to delete this and I'm going to add small little screens which effectively talks about the content which I want my people to hear. So all I have to do, I just have to click this button, auto suggest images and videos, and voila, this video is going to be ready. This channel is all about how to create your faceless YouTube channels, and creating content is always a tedious task, but my only aim educate you all to pick up the right tools that can help you create content at scale. I am doing this for myself and I think it's very important for you all to learn as well. So this is the most interesting part. I had put in my script and it has already given me different previews which I just have to look around and see if they are relevant as per my video. So the topic of my video is how to stay motivated, and this is the title which let's figure out the next video. Interestingly, my first two scenes are pretty much aligned to the context and the content which I have written. I just have to figure out uh, if there is any particular scene which is not aligned to my own needs. So just like this is not relevant in terms of the context, which in terms of the content that I have posted. So all I have to do is I just have to figure out here. I have come here. There are a lot of options that I can use. You can add another video here, you can add images here. I need to add an image, I need to add a video, so I just have to search goals and let's see what options it gives me. I will exclude the premium media because I am using a free option. So this, I just have to pick this and drag it here. Trim video of fit scene, it's a close to 7 seconds and I'm done. I delete this and let's preview this look. The idea that my intention is not to create the best video right now for you, but to tell you how you can convert all your articles into a video without putting a lot of efforts. As you can see, my video draft is pretty much ready. All I have to do is just spend a little bit more time here and this video is good to go. And you can see creating a video for this length would actually take you more than 4, 5, 6 hours to get this work done. But for me to create this video of 1 minute 20 seconds, it took me less than 3 minutes once my script is ready. I just had to feed my script to the software and it gave me all the whole video. So if you like the content which I'm sharing, I would suggest you to please like the video, comment on the video and subscribe to our channel. Doing all of these things will only motivate me to keep producing content like this for you and provide you with secrets that nobody is ready to share. Thank you so much, stay safe and I'll see you soon.